Ready to turn Google Ads into your ClickBank cash machine? First, dive into keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find low competition keywords with high buyer intent related to your ClickBank product. Why Think Best Weight Loss Program for Women Over 40 instead of just weight loss? Once you have identified your target keywords, make a list of long-tail keywords that indicate someone is ready to buy your ClickBank product or service. Next, craft compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your target audience. Highlight the benefits and create a sense of urgency. Use strong call to actions like shop now or get instant access. Be sure to use the keywords you chose for your list. Now comes the most important part, your landing page. The landing page should mirror the ad copy and lead directly to the ClickBank product's sales page. Ensure the landing page is mobile friendly and loads quickly for the best user experience. Also, include customer testimonials. Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads and ClickBank to monitor your campaign's performance. This data is crucial for optimizing your bids. Ad copy and landing pages for maximum ROI. Make sure the Google Ads conversion tracking and ClickBank tracking ID are correctly syncing. Finally, analyze the data and adapt so you know what is working and what isn't. As you hone in on what is working, you can scale up and earn more affiliate revenue. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable marketing tips.